Okay, this is the problem of the week for November 30th, and we'll hope that it's not prophetic. It's about snow removal. And well, I think everybody likes a green Christmas. Maybe we can put that off for a few weeks. There's still a few weeks before Christmas, so we won't look for snow anytime soon if that's okay with everybody. After each snowstorm in huge city, USA, plows remove snow from 684 lane miles. Now, what does that mean? Of road, comma, right? Punctuation. What do we say when we're doing word problems? Stop at punctuation. Think about what they said. How does it apply mathematically? Should you draw a picture? Should you assign a variable? Should you label something? Well, what do they mean by 684 lane miles? Well, typically, right, your road has two sides, and then some highways have lines down the middle, solid, dotted, both. Um, and so there's the, say, northbound lane or eastbound lane, and there's the westbound lane, right? The northbound lane, the southbound lane. Well, this is a lane, and this is a lane. So to plow that, the plow first has to go one direction and kick all the snow off of the road, right? And then it has to at some point turn around, and or another plow has to come along and do this other lane and kick all the snow off of the other direction lane. So when you plow 684 lane miles, that would presume, I suppose, that you're plowing 342 miles in one direction, and then you're coming back and plowing 342 miles in the other direction, imagining that it was just a one road that covered 342 miles. So that term there, lane miles, you might see that used in the vernacular somewhere. Now you know what they're talking about when they say lane miles. Now this is equivalent to 52 million square feet. Okay, 52 million square feet, right? So that means what? 52 million of these babies. 1 foot of 1 foot. Okay, 52 million of those. 642, 684 lane miles. Okay. The total amount of snowfall was 37 and 2/10 inches in huge city last winter. So, in terms of the white stuff piling up, they had 37 and 2/10 inches of snow, right? So, from bare ground, it snowed, then it snowed some more, and then it snowed some more, right? So, they had different snowfalls throughout the year, and eventually they got to some amount that was 37 and 2/10 inches tall if you piled all those snowfalls one on top of the other. Okay. Suppose every snowfall evenly drops snow on all road surfaces. So there was no effect in terms of the wind blowing or trees covering the road or uh, nothing of that nature. That every snowfall hit the road evenly. Okay. How many? Okay, here comes our question, right? When you see the phrase, how many? Here comes the question you're going to answer. How many cubic feet of snow? Now look at that change right there. Cubic feet. Okay. So we had square feet of snow over here, and now they want to know how many cubic feet of snow were plowed last winter at Big city, USA. Huh. Well, okay. So right there, you got a problem, right? Has anybody identified the problem? Uh, all this information they've been giving us was about huge city. And now they've asked us a question about big city. Okay. Well, let's just assume that this is all supposed to be about huge city. Okay. So this isn't a trick question. We want to know how many cubic feet of snow were plowed last winter in huge city, USA. And so 684 lane miles. That's 52,000 square feet. Okay. The snow piled up vertically, right? Uh, 37 and 2/10 inches. Okay. And suppose it fell evenly on all these lane miles. Okay. All these road surfaces. And finally, they want to know how many cubic feet, right? 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. How many cubic feet of snow were plowed last winter in Big City, USA? All right. So that's the problem of the week. And submit those answers. Get yourself in the drawing to be a winner. And we'll look forward to seeing your answers. Talk to you later.